All right, guys, welcome in. First break of the night, we're going to be doing another break of the Gold Rush Treasure Chest. So this is break number 3 of this, although the first 2 we did several months ago. So there's 12 autographed items per box, and so every spot gives you 2 random letters. So there's 24 random letters that we're using all together in this one. We've cut out X and Q. So those are the 2 letters that we're not using, but every other letter is included in this. So not only are we doing the treasure chest, but we've also got a box of Hit Parade Cal Ripken that we're going to be giving away. So if for some reason you don't pull a hit in this break, then all the guys that don't get a hit will go into the random for this. So there's 1 autographed Cal Ripken card, and I think the main one you can find is a Gem Mint 10 rookie card, which is worth some high dollars. So this will be part of the giveaway that we'll do at the end for everybody that does not get a hit. And then plus beyond that, I've got some cards and packs and things like that we'll send out to you. So hopefully we don't have that tonight. Hopefully all you guys end up hitting something. So let's go ahead and get rolling on this. So Tony, you've got 1 spot on this. Roy's got 1. Jeff H with 1. Nick G's got 1. Marty with 1. Harlan is in this one. Tom L with 1. Chris P with 1. Rick M with 1, Michael P's got 1, Jeff L with 1, and then Jason grabbed the last spot. So there's all kinds of stuff that you can pull out of here. And the last box we did, I think we pulled a Hank Aaron autographed jersey. So this is the one, the last couple boxes, if you remember, we did a random draft. So everybody ended up with 1 item. This one we're going to do a little bit different. Based on the letters. So you could get multiple items based on the letters that you get. We'll just have to wait and see. So let's go ahead and randomize the letters first. So we'll mix this up 5 times. All right, so after we're done with this, you guys let me know if you want to do another one next weekend. I know Bill P's already wants to grab 3 spots in it, so I'm all down with doing another box next weekend. All right, let's go ahead and randomize this as well. We'll do this 5 times. All right. So, Chris, you've got O and I. Let's see. Harlan's got L and P. Jason's got E and D. Jeff H, you've got V and Z. Jeff L has got K and W. Marty's got M and C. Michael P with G and F. Nick, you've got R and H. Rick, you've got U and B. Roy with J and Y. Tom with S and N. And then Tony, you've got A and T. All right, so there are the letters. All right, Tony, DJ, you guys want to jump in on that? Cool. Yeah, if you guys like what you see, we'll definitely do another one next weekend. So 12 items per box. You see it's all sealed up, Gold Rush tape across the top. This comes in another box, so it doesn't get beat all to heck like the big boxes. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. All right, cool, Marty. All right, let's have some fun. See what we can get. All right, I'm gonna try to hide some of this stuff. First up, we got a Soccer Ball USA soccer ball. It is JSA certified. There is the sticker and the card. And it's going to be a Hope Solo. Make sure you guys can fully see this box here. So Hope Solo USA soccer ball. That's going to be going to Tom. Auto's right there. Not bad. All right, we've got an autographed football, JSA certified as well. Here's the card. Super Bowl 20 champs. Any guesses on that one? See any name listed? I don't know who that is. I'm going to have to look up the JSA card. Saying Mike Singletary? Maybe. Could be. Let's see. All right, so it is S81912. It is Mike Singletary. Nice call. So S is 2 for 2. All right, we got a baseball bat here. Oh my gosh, this is like an S box. It's going to be a Duke Snyder. Tom is rolling so far. So it looks like TriStar certified. All right, let's spread the love around a little bit. This is crazy. All right, definitely not an S. How about a Dominique autographed jersey going to W? That's going to Jeff L. JSA certified. Ooh, nice inscription, dang. Nice. Uh-oh. Got a letter of authenticity. So we got a quad signed Mike Garrett, Charles White, O.J. Simpson, and Marcus Allen signed USC jersey. That's pretty cool. So that'll be G, W, A, and S. So we'll random that here at the end. I think a Deontay Foreman, University of Texas jersey. So Michael P. on that one. Beckett certified. All right, 88. All right, it's going to be an Evan Ingram. So last name E on that will be Jason. Yeah, Jeff, you got the Dominique jersey. You've hit that one. All right, so how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there should still be 5 more in here. All right, JSA certified. Dang, got more Steelers. Got Joe Green. 4 guys all together on this one. Let me see if I can look it up by the JSA. So this one is G24385. So Green, White, Greenwood, and Holmes are the 4 guys on that. So that'll be 2 G's, a W, and an H. All right, I'll put that back in here in just a few minutes. All right, should be 4, 2. All right, so 4 16 by 20s. Here we go. All right, Le'Veon Bell, who may not ever play in a Steelers uniform again. So last name B, that's going to Rick. JSA certified. All right, another S. Tom is hitting another one. Ozzie Smith, a wizard. PSA DNA certified. That's pretty cool. Oh, dang, I thought that was Jordan at first. Got a Dennis Rodman, the worm. It is Leaf authenticated, so last name R on that one, which will be Nick G. All right, and then the last hit is going to be a Terrell Davis. Terrell Davis, 16 by 20. Last name D, that'll go to Jason. That one's JSA certified as well. All right, so not bad. I don't know. Maybe that USC jersey is going to be the biggest high dollar item in this box. So let's go ahead and do a couple randoms here. So first random we'll do is for the USC jersey. All right, so you got last name G. All right, got last name W. Got S again. And then A. All right, let's go ahead and do this random. So we got G, W, S, and A, the 4 guys on the USC jersey. So we'll randomize this 5 times. And the letter at the top is who's going to get it. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Going to A. There you go, Tony. So Tony walking away with the USC jersey. That's awesome. I don't know how much that jersey's worth, but that's pretty cool. All right, now let's do the other one here. So 2 G's, a W, and an H. All right, so here we go. 2 G's, a W, and an H. We'll randomize this 5 times. This will be for the steel curtain, 16 by 20. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5's going to W. Jeff, that'll be you, man. All right, so let's see who got what. Sean does have a ton of stuff. If you're looking for Adam Jones, Sean is your man. All right, let me see who did not get a hit in this one, and we'll do the random for the Cal Ripken. All right, so Chris is going to be in on this one. All right, Harlan's in on this. Jeff H. Marty had an M and C, and we didn't get you anything, huh? All right, let's see. All right, Nick, you got something. Rick. Let's see, Roy. And that looks like that's it. So there's 5 guys. Chris, Harlan, Jeff, Marty, and Roy. All right, so this is going to be for the Cal Ripken Junior giveaway. So the guys that did not hit in this, Chris, Harlan, Jeff, Marty, and Roy. So one of you are going to get the Cal Ripken Junior box that's sealed up. So good luck. We'll do it 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Harlan. Harlan, congratulations, man. You'll get the Cal Ripken Jr. So Marty, Jeff, Roy, and Chris, we'll hook you up and send you some stuff anyway. All right, so that'll do it for the treasure chest. So if you guys want to get in on this again next weekend, let me know. Todd at TennskinBreaks.com, and we'll try another box of this next weekend.